Salut les amis. Hello Priyamitrullara. Hi friends. Today let's learn few important words in French. First of all, look at these words. First thing, homme. Homme. Homme means man. Garçon means boy. Fille. Fille means girl. Femme means woman in French. Before each noun you have an article. These are French articles. They are called les articles indéfinis. In French, masculine nouns have masculine articles and feminine nouns have feminine articles. Masculine article for homme is un homme. There is a liaison. With liaison I am reading un homme. Un garçon. Un garçon. A boy. Une is the feminine article. Une femme. A woman. Une fille. A girl. Un homme అంటే ఒక మనిషి. A garçon అంటే ఒక అబ్బాయి. Une femme అంటే ఒక మహిళ. Une fille అంటే ఒక అమ్మాయి. Thank you very much. ధన్యవాదములు. See you soon. అభియంతో మళ్ళా కలిసి చూద్దాం.